Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no audio device installed issue in Windows 11 or 10 system. If you're using external speakers or a sound system, the first thing you should do is make sure they're powered on. Sometimes it's just a simple power issue. And if you're using the built-in speakers on your laptop, don't worry. We'll go through some troubleshooting steps to fix that as well. These methods will help resolve both internal audio problems and issues with external speakers connected to your computer. So, let's get started. First, make sure your speakers aren't muted in Windows system. Just adjust the volume up and down once to confirm the sound isn't muted. Then next, right-click on the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Troubleshoot Sound Problems. This will start troubleshooting your audio automatically, detect any issues, and try to fix them for you. Once it's finished, you can simply close the window. If troubleshooting does not solve the issue, then next, right-click on the sound icon again and open Sound Settings. In Sound Settings, at the top, you'll see the Output section. Under that, click on Speakers and then click the Test button. If you hear sound, that means the problem is already fixed. But if there's still no audio, go back to Sound Settings, then scroll down a bit and click on More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, check if your speakers are listed. If you can see them, that means they're enabled. But if they're not showing or they appear disabled, just right-click and enable them. Sometimes speakers get disabled, which is why you don't hear any sound. But if you're still not getting any audio, then the next step is to right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, look for audio inputs and outputs and then expand it. Then find your speaker or audio device, right-click on it and choose Update Driver. After that, click on Search automatically for drivers. If you see that the best drivers are already installed in your system, it means latest driver is already installed and there is no update available. Just close that window. Then right-click on your speaker again, but this time select Uninstall Device and click the Uninstall button to confirm. Once the driver is removed, go up to the Action tab and click on Scan for hardware changes. This will automatically reinstall your audio driver. Sometimes simply reinstalling the driver can fix audio issues and glitches. I'm hoping one of these methods solves your sound problem. If it works for you, let me know which method helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.